How to boomerang on Snapchat. Boomerang is a feature that creates a short video that loops back and forth, giving the effect of continuous motion. When you record a video with this feature, it automatically plays the video in a looping sequence, making it look like an action is repeated over and over. So guys, in today's tutorial, you will learn how to create a boomerang on Snapchat. Alright, let's get into it. Open the Snapchat app and right in your camera screen, press and hold the record button, the capture button, to record a short video that captures the moment you want to loop or boomerang. Alright, so I'll make a quick video. Now release the capture button to stop recording. Alright, it's time to edit and boomerang. Right in the editing screen, you can see the last option. The last option is the boomerang tools. So you just tap on it, and once you will see the bounce option. This is it, guys. The video is now bouncing like a loop video, like something is repeated. This will automatically loop your video back and forth. As you can see, your video has been boomerang. Now you can add any effect or text if desired. You can add stickers, sound, voiceover. You can save your boomerang video. Just tap on the save button, or you can add it to your story. You can also send it as snaps, and it's very easy, guys. Your boomerang will now play in a continuous loop, creating a fun and dynamic effect. This can be used in a fun way, engaging effects to your snaps. It's very easy, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.